As a global technology solutions provider, we provide services around the world. But what makes New Era Technology who we are today? It's our people and the core values we share. New Era Technology is a community of like-minded, like-hearted people who share the same vision and values. We are a community. We are people-focused. The connecting fabric of New Era is the employees, customers, and communities we serve. We act with integrity. We show respect for others and remain true to who we are through accountability, respect, and transparency. We are agile. We are open-minded and resourceful. We creatively approach challenges in search of the best solutions. And lastly, we are committed. We build opportunities for success for our employees, customers, partners, and communities through open communication and a complete dedication towards shared goals. This is the high-level view of our values that guide us every day. We believe it's the right way to do business and build a great place to work.